To heighten the efficiency in productivity and space utilization in the paint manufacturing plants, Delta offers two verticals in its palletizing systems. Retail line palletizing system is innovated in a way that it can work in multiple combinations designed to accommodate carton boxes of varying capacity in dynamic matrix. It can accommodate different sizes of cartons and variant. The system has been designed in a manner that it can handle two filling line at a time with different variants and can complete one cycle in less than 15 seconds. Bulk line palletizing system is designed for pail of 10 litre and 20 litre capacities. In an hour, the system is capable to palletize 1440 pails or one cycle in less than 10 seconds. Used for the first time in the segment, universal design of vacuum gripper eliminates the need of any changeover in gripper during variant change. These two solutions comprise of an articulated robot, universal handling gripper, in-feed carton conveyors, matrix formation conveyors, empty pallet conveyors, palletizing conveyors, and a control panel. The solutions are fast, flexible, and robust, and can process two filling lines together with different variants of load on each filling line at the same time. The positive locking ensures that the products remain safe during transit on gripper. Automatic barcode scanners provide operational direction, while as remote handling through ERP eliminates workforce dependency, a feat of engineered thinking and cost optimization methodology. Delta's end-of-line palletizing paves path to Industry 4.0 with its technical prowess, ease of utility, and a sound pedigree of manufacturing excellence offered only by Delta.